welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new and viewing, today I'm installing a wig. I'm going to be installing this beautiful burgundy wig here from Love Me Hair. They sent this over for me to try for y'all today. It looks like it's going to be a bob situation, which I've been feeling the bobs lately, and I'm excited that this one is some color. So let's get into how this wig is made. It is a closure wig, as you guys can see. I want to say it's a 5x5, but those details will be listed in my description bar below. I'll also put a direct link to this exact wig. So it also has an elastic band in there for your extra secure needs. You got some combs on the side. I'm going to use those combs today. And then you have a comb in the back, and then you have some adjustable straps. I'm gonna go ahead and put these adjustable straps together and we can make sure the wig is really secure. I think I'll probably end up needing to add a little bit of color to the lace just to get it to blend into my skin, but we'll see after I get it placed on. I want to see if I could do this one glueless. I don't know for sure if it's gonna work out. You might have to use some type of holding spray or gel or whatnot. But I also want to show you guys the hairline because I like what I see so far. It is pretty plucked out. Of course, we'll have to see once we get it put on if it needs to be plucked out any more than this. But I like to see wigs come with a more natural and realistic hairline instead of having to do a whole bunch of work, and pluck it out. And I just realized there's another comb in here. The comb right here is in the middle of the wig. It's at the back of the closure. So let's get her put on. So this is the completed look. I have it on completely glueless, no glue whatsoever. I plucked a little bit right there next to the parting space just to open it up some, but it's really full. I kind of chopped just the little pieces that were right here that were a little bit long and looked a little thin. When I wear bobs, I like them to be full all the way around, you know, so I just cut off that piece to make it look more blunt and full. So I think it looks really good. The color is beautiful, gorgeous wig, very easy to install. All I did was really straighten it and use my hot comb. Like, you don't really have to do much to it when you get it. Now, I like the side part, but I'm really curious to see what this looks like with the middle part. So I think that's what I'm about to do. Don't hate me for doing yet again another middle part, but I just had to see what it looks like. I had to do it. I had to do it. And I like the middle. I think it gives like a really like poised, elegant type of style. You know what I mean? Like, it just looks very simple, but it still has a little bit of razzle dazzle because of the color. So that's what we're working with. Little back view. I think this is very cute. I like this wig, Love Me Hair. So if you guys are interested in it, make sure you check out my description bar. I have a direct link to this unit, as well as a direct link to Love Me Hair's website, so you guys can check out the other units that they offer. If you guys like this one, make sure you leave a thumbs up, leave me a comment as well, and subscribe if you're new and viewing, please. And to the ones that are subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.